But yeah, this is really full. I don't really use this. What up? What up? What is up, y'all? It's your girl Patty, and welcome to my channel, Patty Loxin. Alright, so as you see in the title, I am doing comparisons on the moisturized spray that I use to like moisturize my scalp, and yeah, just to make sure my hair and scalp isn't dry, so my hair could constantly grow and I don't constantly get dandruff, which I do get dandruff pretty fast. No matter how clean my scalp is, like I get dandruff pretty fast. So this is why this is much needed for my hair, and I want to give a little review on each one. Before I begin, I wanted to give an update. It is this is my hair right now, and I mean, I see a bit of a difference. Like, it's starting to hang down a little bit more rather than sticking up and being all over the place. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. So that makes me happy. That means something's working. I did my own retwist, like I said before in my last video. I did my own retwist, and yeah, I think I did pretty well with it. Like, I don't think I did so bad. I mean, it's still showing a little bit. Like, if I go close by, mind you, I may have some dandruff, but if I go close by, you could tell that, like, I'm doing pretty well with it. Like, some of them are still twisted and well defined. Like this one right here, like, you can see that it's pretty twisted still. Like, you can still see that it's twisted still. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so the first one I want to do a review on is called Do Grow Anti-Itch Oil. So as you can tell, I use this oil a lot. I need to get a new bottle because this is how much I use this oil. I use it every day. Being that my scalp dries up so fast, it just takes it in so quick, I have to put it in every day. So this is what I usually use. It's running out, I only have a little bit. The thing I could say about this is it does great. It's one of my favorite ones. It really moisturizes your scalp. It has the vitamins you need, the tea tree oil, shea butter, and vitamin formula, it says. Eases scalp tightness, so it does definitely do that. And it just really makes your hair shiny, and not as shiny, but it shines. It shows the healthy part of your hair. It basically shows how healthy your hair is. I'm gonna slow down it. It shows how healthy your hair is, and it keeps it healthy. So this is one thing I love. It reduces breakage, which is great, and allows the hair to grow longer. So Do Grow. Definitely give this a try. If you gave it a try, please comment below and let me know your thoughts on it. Maybe you don't like it, maybe you do as well as I do. But please comment below. I will leave the link in the description box. Yeah, I really love this stuff. Like you see, I use this kind. There's two different kinds. The other one is like a darker color, but I use this one. It's much lighter. It's very liquidy. It's not like a heavy oil, so it's easy to just clean out or whatever. It doesn't like have buildup or anything like that. It doesn't create buildup in your hair, especially in your locks. So definitely check this out. I recommend this. By the way, before I continue, I am not getting paid for any of these things. I'm just doing this because these are things I'm using and I want to give you a review on it. The second one, I just got this about a month ago. This is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Maximum Relief No More Itch Go Spray. So I guess when you're ready to go, you know, like you're going out or you're going to an interview or you're going on a date or you're going to an event or whatever, you just spray this in and you know, spread it out with your fingers, and yeah, it helps. They say repeat twice daily. I don't really use this and never did repeat it twice daily, but now that I'm reading it, I should probably give it a try and repeat it twice daily. Maybe I'll do a review more on this, like doing this, using this for a whole month and seeing the difference on each one. But yeah, this is really full. It's not, I barely used it, so I might do a video on just trying this out for a whole month and giving you a review on my daily use of it every day. Yeah, and you can start seeing the difference if you see a difference, but we'll see. But yeah, basically it's supposed to, it's for locks, like it's good for locks. Helps soothe dry and itchy scalp, which is what I have majority of the time. My scalp dries up so fast. Like I give it like maybe 2 days and then it's like really dry. So that's why I have to make sure I always moisturize my scalp every day. It says non-greasy formula. I guess it's not greasy. It smells really good though. I like the smell to it. This one doesn't really have a smell, but this really doesn't have a smell. This has a strong smell to it though. So I mean, I like the smell, but I say still be careful when it comes to strong smells with your locks, because it sticks into your locks, and then like over time, especially if you're not washing your hair as often, it starts to smell and your locks start to smell. So try to stay away from like really smelly like moisturizing sprays like this. But like I said, I'll give this a month try before I give you any more advice on this one. But so far so good. I don't have any complaints since I barely used this, so I can't really give you much of a review on this one. And third, this one I use often. I use it as a go because it's more of an instant conditioner treatment. So if you see that right there, let's see. Yeah, so if you see that right there, it's a conditioner, like a conditioner spray. So if you need to have conditioner in your hair, which has all those vitamins and keeps your hair very moist, I say go with this. This is very helpful. So I use two things. I use an oil and then I spray this in my hair after I wash my hair. So after I wash my hair, I will use this, and every like a few days, like maybe every 3 days or so, I will use this spray to keep my hair moisturized. So I definitely recommend this. It has let's see, it has enriched with olive oil, avocado, bamboo, and grapeseed. So I mean, I might have to do more research into knowing if this is really good for your hair, but so far I like it, and it smells pretty good. I mean, yeah, it smells pretty good. It doesn't have a strong smell like this one, so I'm trying my best not to try to stay away from this one, but like I said, I will do a review to see how it goes. But this one smells really good. It's not strong smell, it's a very light smell. Like this one, pretty light, you can't really smell it that much. But I definitely recommend it. You can see how white it is because of the conditioning spray, so you can see like how it looks. See, compared to this one where it's clear. This one is clear, and this one is like, it looks thick, but it's not thick. It's not thick. You don't have anything to worry about because it's not thick. Now this one, this was the first one I bought, and as you can see, I stopped using it because it's actually really good. It has a lot of great things in it that you need in your hair, such as, if I can find it, it has carrot seed oil. I don't know what that is, but I never heard of that. So basically, this is it's a scalp refresher. So it's an oil that you just put on your scalp. It says it's good for cornrows and box braids and weaves and extensions. So it doesn't say anything about locks like this one does. None of them really say, like, none of these say anything about locks except for this one, because Jamaican mango and lime is known for doing products for locks as well. So it's like with this one, I like it, but when I put it in, so I didn't put anything on my hair yet, so let me show you right now. Yeah, so I didn't put anything in my hair yet, so I'm gonna put some right now, right? Put some now. as you see, when I put it, like sometimes if I like put it here, right, it starts to get like white and foamy, and honestly I don't like that. It starts to get white and foamy, and I really don't like that. Then it gets really bubbly, so that bubble part, like, let me see if you can see it. So right there, it gets extremely bubbly, and then when you're putting it in your hair, like look at this, all of that is going in your hair, which makes it so white and foamy when you're like mixing it into your scalp. So that's one thing I don't like about this thing. It takes a while for it to ease into your scalp rather than just being on your scalp without it being so noticeable. So this is one thing I don't like about this oil, so I don't use it as often. Like this is like my backup oil if I run out of oil. So like that's how much I don't use this oil. Out of all of these, I compare, so out of all of these, let me do a quick thumbnail because I always forget to do it and try to wing it, but yeah, when you have tiny hands, it's hard to hold things, you feel me? It is a struggle. Oh my God, look at me. Like I'm like putting it up against me. Okay, here I go. Alright. Alright, that's it. Ow, ow, ouch. Okay, anyway. So out of these four, I recommend this one and this one. But out of all of them, it's definitely, this is going to be the win because I've been using this one longer. So it's pretty much an unfair review compared to the other products because I always been using this one more. But like I said, I'm going to do a 1 month use of this one, and then the next month I'll do a 1 month use of only this one, and then a 1 month use of only that one, and see and compare the difference, and do like a daily review on it every day, and put that one video together so you can see the difference from day 1 to day 33. So yeah, anyway, that's my video. I hope I helped you as much as I possibly can. I'm sorry I wasn't if I wasn't helpful, since I barely use these three, but like I said, this is just, you know, the future of what I'm going to do on comparing all of them. So this is what I've been using the whole time when since I got my locks. The next one I'm gonna start using will be this one, and then I'll start using this one or this one. This one I actually could use with this, or I could use it with this, or I could use it with this, because this is a conditioner, so ignore this one, sorry. I'll compare these two in the next 2 months and keep you all posted. Anyway, that's today's video. I wanted to make it quick, simple, and you know, as much information as I could possibly give for someone who barely used those other the other oils other than this one, so go check this out. But yeah, give it a try. If you have any recommendations and you have locks or natural hair, I'm 4C, 4B type, so if you have any suggestions of oils that I should try out, please let me know. I'm more than happy to take those suggestions and actually go buy those oils and give it a go, and even try a whole month and see if it works for me. So this is the growth I've gotten by washing my hair and using this oil. Let's see the growth of me using this for a whole month and see if it actually helps my hair grow faster and whatnot. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you shoot, wow, I can't even talk. Oh my God, I can't. Thanks for watching my channel. Share, comment, like, and subscribe, and of course ring that bell if you want to get notifications. Anyway, Patty out.